Yeah. So what we can do, like we can use any one method, like any simple one method. You can take any one, or either I can give. So what we have to do, we have to take like total 30 threads using that method, and and we will take the fix risk to reward, like whenever we are losing we will give one risk, and whenever we are winning we will take two R. Do you understand? Do you understand
Uh,
what is the risk and reward? Maybe I can explain to you.
Yes,
yeah,
yes, yes. Understand.
You understood,
Hello,
right?
Sujit bro. How are you?
Yeah, I'm
Actually, I
good.
was driving, so that's why we can't talk. Uh, okay.
Okay.
And Anup Dharam, how are you guys?
yeah. Hi, hi. Good, good.
Okay, that's great. Yeah,
So,
Sujit bro, continue.
yeah.
Yeah, maybe we can restart again as others are joined. Like,
Yeah,
hello?
just brief idea you can give
Yeah,
us a
yeah.
little.
So, like, if you see what are the observation I found in most of the traders is that whenever we win a very small amount, and whenever we lose a large amount. So we don't follow the risk to reward. That is where the problem lies. The problem does not lies in the strategy. Problem does not lies in whether you are wrong or right. The problem lies with your emotion. So what we can do to improve our confidence? We will take one strategy, and we will trade only that strategy for 30 trade, and we will follow our strict rule, like we will make a 1:2 risk to reward, and we will maintain the general for this 30 thread, and we will see where we are at the end of 30 thread, whether we are profitable or not. So this is the exercise we wanted to do in order to gain confidence in our trading. Understood?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. So,
Yes, yes. Oh,
okay.
Sujit bro, Nath said that he's in waiting room.
Yeah, he already is there. Hello. Hello, doctor.
Yeah, he's joined.
Hello, Nath. Can you able to hear me? Okay. So, as per our commitment, we will take 30 thread, and there is one indicator. Uh, I will share this indicator with all of you. Maybe I have already shared with you this indicator, right? Position size calculator.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes,
So
yes.
what it does. Hello.
Yeah, just one question. 30 thread means like is it 30 day?
No. 30 thread. I mean, you can take 30 thread like 10 days, 15 days, depending upon criteria.
Okay.
Yeah. Sorry.
കേൾക്കൂല ഇല്ല സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളൂ
Hello. Who is speaking?
Someone has to go on mute.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so this is an indicator which I have already shared with you guys. So what it does, if you give the, let's say your account is of $1,000, and we will take only 1% of risk, meaning that we will take only $10 risk each trade. So what we can do here, we can put our risk, how much risk you want to take per trade. So I will do here, just a minute. So here I will put $10, and I will, so here is the three levels, like stop loss level, entry level, and TP level. Let's assume that we want it to go long here. Okay, so what I can do, I will move this entry to here. The stop loss would be, let's say my stop loss is pretty wide here, and my target is like here. So let's say my target is here. Okay, this is hypothetical example. So what it does, it will give me the risk to reward. So risk to reward is 1.45. So it's not favoring the good risk to reward. So maybe you need to see whether the TP is good enough for you to take the trade, but you must take the trade which is of risk to reward 1:2. Okay, and let's see if we do a risk here, and if you put the small SL, and if you take the larger TP. So if we see for each $10 risk, we are taking the $40 as a profit. So no matter what happens to this trade, you are gonna lose only $10, and if you win, you're gonna win $40, or maybe 1:2 is like $20 at max. You must win in this trade, and you can win more than that. That is not an issue, but this risk is fixed for each trade for 30 trades. Yeah, any questions? So here you see quantity. This is a quantity you need to put. So if you go to, let's say I will go to the bid gate, and what you need to do here. Yeah, here is the USDT value, right? So here you can keep the quantity. It's available on every exchange, and here as per your position size calculator, your quantity is 1248. So I will put 1248. I will keep long my TP and my SL. I will put a long trade, and I will go home. I mean, I will not watch any more the chart and all. That's it. For 30 thread, you have to do this stuff. Let me know if you don't understand, or if you want more explanation.
Yeah, I didn't understand that 30 thread which you mentioned. I didn't understand that one.
Yeah, it's 30 trade, meaning that in order to get
30 trade. 30
yeah,
trade.
yeah,
Okay.
trade.
Okay.
Yeah. So meaning that in order to get confidence, you need at least 30 trade. That's the
Okay, got it.
behind it. So then you will understand that your profitability does not lie in one or two trade. It's lies in the long term. So whenever you see the sample size more than 20 or 30, then you will see, okay, my trading strategy is profitable. I don't need to worry about one or two losses, or five losses, or maybe 50% losses. So that is fine.
Yeah, is there a
So
reason?
whenever you do this exercise, you will get confidence on taking the losses, and you don't feel emotionally attached to any one of the trade. So that's the idea.
Okay. So is there a reason why you selected this BLZ for this trade, or no?
That is a different thing. I'm talking about how we are gonna approach the profitability.
Sujit here. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. So here, okay. So this is about the risk, position size, and risk management.
Yeah.
And here you want to show us any strategy for lower
Yes.
price
Yes.
point?
Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah. After this, I will show you the strategy and how I approach basically. Then you can implement the same strategy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Should I go ahead? This is clear, right?
Yes, yes.
And you have to maintain a journal. For each trade, you have to write down whether you followed the plan, whether you need, what are the mistake you made, and what are the things you did well. So this is mandatory.
Just like, are others audible? Like it's getting disconnected in between. Like, is it only for me?
For me as well.
Okay.
Hello? Hello?
So we are not able to hear you.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, now we are able to hear you.
Is it
We
good?
missed. Now it's good, but earlier I think we missed all the things which you said.
Okay. So what part did you miss? Like what I was saying that you have to maintain journal for each trade.
It's breaking, Sujit.
Hello? Okay, I will go somewhere. Maybe that will help.
Oh, okay.
Just a minute, huh? Give me 2 minutes.
Sure, sure.
नेटचा इश्यू येते. Hello?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Is it good now?
Yeah, it's good.
Yes.
Oh, fucking awesome. Okay.
Very nice.
Just a minute. Did you understand the general part?
Yes.
Okay. But you have to follow, huh? Otherwise, it won't make any sense.
Yes.
Okay, so I will go to the chart. So maybe we can take any chart. Let me clear everything. Remove a drawing. Let's take blue color. Okay. So first, what you need to do, you have to do the high time frame analysis. Okay, I will go to the monthly. Okay, this is a high time frame chart. Okay, what you see is just a range bound, and what I'll do, I will mark the monthly level here. So this is a monthly level from where price is bouncing. Okay. So I will give the name here as a monthly. Yeah. This is the monthly level, right? From where price got rejected last time. So I'll mark this as a monthly level. Let me know if anything is not clear. Okay. Next monthly level is this. Okay, this is the monthly level. Okay, so this is a monthly level, and as per the monthly level, what we can there is a one rule of thumb you always have to remember, that price always rotate from one level to the another. So meaning that if price take the support from this monthly level, it will go to the next monthly level. If price takes support here, then price will go to the next monthly level. If price get rejection here, price will go to the next monthly level. Understood this concept?
How you selected that monthly level?
This is a closing point where price is taking support. So if you see here, from here price got supported and we got a huge bounce. Here again price got a support, we got a huge bounce. From here also again support. From here also again support.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah,
The
here
second one,
second one, this one price, once it bounces, it got the rejection here. That's why I mark as this monthly level.
okay.
But like in the resistance, you have not taken the wick. So
No,
only
no,
the
I
bottom.
am taking the closing prices. I don't take the week.
Ah,
Yeah. Okay. So this is a monthly level I mark. If you want to know how to label this, so what you need to do, you have to I have selected this horizontal ray, and horizontal ray, once you got selected, then you you open this one, then give the name as monthly, and here mark as save as whatever the name you want to go. Let's say this is a monthly. Yeah. Okay, monthly is there. So next time when you want to mark this level, let's say next level is this, you click on the horizontal ray. This is a horizontal ray, and I will mark this. Go to the template, right click template, and mark this as a monthly level. Okay, so these are my levels in a chart on monthly basis. Okay, and here what I can see, that price is above this monthly level, and as per the rule of thumb, that if price gets support here, we might see the level that is 0.19. Okay, this is what the conclusion is. Then okay, so another thing is, here you need to go here, and this is all the tree comes here, whatever you have drawn in the page here. So let's say this is a horizontal ray. I will create a group here. Let's say I will give the name of this group as higher time frame support. Okay, and I will put all the horizontal ray here. Okay, so next time if you want to hide something, let's say you don't want these levels, or maybe you want to do some other analysis, you just hide here, all the level will be gone. Or if you want to see levels, you just have to hide and unhide here. Yeah, then I will do, I mean, I will draw the level at the weekly level. Now this chart is at the weekly level. Okay, so as you can see, this is a weekly level. Correct? Let me know if you don't understand. This is I mark as a weekly. Where is weekly?
Down. The second last line. Second last line. Down.
नीचे दूसरा
Just below.
I don't. I this is
The second last line. The weekly only, right? Weekly.
yeah,
Second
yeah.
last. Go down.
but
down.
here
Go down.
I can't see because because of this. Okay,
Oh, okay.
because of the Zoom call, I could not able to see.
Oh,
So
okay.
yeah, so this is a weekly level, and then this is a weekly level. Yeah, as you can see, something is wrong. Why weekly is not showing it? Okay, it's fine. This is a weekly level,
It's second as well.
but for me, it's not coming. I don't know. Okay,
We
it's
are
fine.
actually maybe
This is weekly level. Okay, and another weekly level is this. Yeah. Hello.
how many weekly levels will you draw?
Yeah, I just need to draw near to
Generally,
price action. So
okay, near.
currently price is here, so it's important to draw nearby this level. You can keep, I mean, level till here is fine.
Okay.
It's just to know the levels, because if you see here, now you want to know in a smaller time frame. Okay, I'll go to smaller time frame. Now you know here this is a resistance, right? You don't want to long the resistance unless it's claimed as support. You don't want to long it, right? So you need to keep in mind this as a resistance or support, right? See, in crypto generally, level is get bridge, then it will come down and it will back test, and again it will come down. This work like this. Okay, so these levels are very important. You need to mark on your chart, and you can hide or unhide here. That is not a problem, but you need to aware of your levels. So these are the levels. I will keep in the high time frame support level. Now, just I will, if I hide unhide, see, you can see all the levels by heart. Yeah, you can able to hear me.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So as you can see, this confluence already matching, like this is a pretty strong resistance and support line. That's that's why I took a trade here. Maybe I will show you. As per our theory, like what I explained to you, that price will rotate from one level to the another. Okay, so I will go to the smaller time frame, and you can see that price came here, this level. Okay, it got the rejection here. It got rejection, but it could not able to go down. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, I think our time is over. We need to rejoin again. 30 minutes is over, or 45 minutes, I think, till. So if you see here, price got a rejection, and it could not able to go down. Instead, it started rolling over, and it's reclaimed this monthly as well as weekly level. Yeah. Now, what was my thesis? Like, if price got acceptance above this level, we must see the next level, which is this weekly level, right? I said price will rotate from one weekly level to another level. So if you see my trade, I will show you my trade. Yeah, this is position history, or maybe yeah. Here is the long I have opened. This one 0.116, and I close at 0.136. right? I made a like 800 or 900 euro because of this. My stop loss was this was my trade, like I long here 1.116. This was my long, and I kept my stop loss here because if price gets taken out this lower higher low, then I don't want to be in trade. So how much I took? I took around this level. So I took 1:2, almost 1:2, which is really good trade.
So this trade was based on only the weekly support.
Yeah, weekly rotation, basically.
Weekly rotation. Yeah.
Yeah, weekly to weekly rotation or monthly to monthly. Now I mentioned that there is likelihood, let's say price stays here. Okay, it does not get rejection here. Okay, like this, it's staying, keep on staying. If it hold this weekly level, we can see next this level, which is our monthly level, because we don't have any support resistance here. And if now you don't need to take the trade, you have to wait for the consolidation to happen, or either take this monthly level, or maybe if you get price here, and let's say if prices does like this, let's say here, you wait, you don't take the trade, you see the price action, what is doing, whether it's going up, whether it's taking the support. And if it takes the support here, okay, then you need to take long here, because your thesis is it will take the support and it will go to the next level. Then you keep a stop loss beneath this support and take 1:2 trade. Any confusion?
No confusion, but you marked monthly and weekly, not daily. So it's not.
You can mark daily also. Daily is also really good levels. You can mark all the three levels, and you check highest the confluence, whether it's confluence whether confluence is there or not. Yeah, you try to find
And
all the
confluence
confluence.
and confluence can be anything. For example,
Anything like trend line or fib level. I generally take the fib level confluence. So let's say this is a level, this is a from swing low to swing high, this is a level. Okay, so let's assume that you get a rejection here. Okay, now your thesis is this is weekly level, right? So what you can do here, if price comes here, then you might think that price will bounce here, this is your thesis. And then this is also aligning with this fib level 61.8, 0.66 and 0.786. So what you can do here, once the price hit the weekly level, then you take the trade and keep the stop loss beneath this 0.786 level, this level, and then aim for the higher prices. Or maybe you can take the trend line also. Let's say this is a trend line. You want to see, you don't want to see the price beneath this level. Or maybe if you are bear, then what you want to see, you want to see the rejection here. Let's say this is a rejection, because see, this is I have marked all the three highs here. Now this is acting as a resistance. This is a very, I mean, this is not a good strategy because trend is high. But if you want to take the trade against the trend, then you can always take the trade if your risk to reward is good. Let's say your thesis goes wrong here, because if this trend line breaks up, then you don't want to be trade. but this risk to reward is pretty good. Let's say it will bounce now like this, it will bounce. Let's say this is a level and it will bounce like this. And if you get rejection, then you take the trade. This is also valid trade, but keep in mind that this is we are in strong uptrend in blue zilla. So chances are really high that your stop loss might get hit. That's the only drawback of this trade. But for you, I think you always take the trade with the trend. That is a safe method to do.
We have to find confluence and then at
Yeah,
we
so
have to
just keep in mind that let's say this is let's say price is here. Okay, let's say price is here, and your bias now, let's say in this chart prices are going higher, right? So this is high, this is low, lower high, this is higher, this is higher low, this is higher high, this is higher low. So you are expecting the price will continue to make higher high, right? So this is really good place to place the long position, because this is at the monthly level, plus this is at the 61.8 level. I mean around that 0.786 level. This is, and another point is that this low, if it get breach, then you don't want to be in trade, because then the trend will break. So if if this is a situation, what I would have done, I would have wait for prices to come here, and then I will keep the stop loss, little stop loss here, and I will aim for the again higher prices. So this is a trade I will take 10 out of 10 time and see what happens. You don't need to guess whether prices will hold or prices will go down or not. It's just a probability. You don't know what is going to happen. But the thing is, you are taking the trade at the right place. If you want to take the trade here, you don't know where is your risk, where is your reward, right? So see, I told you that this is a weekly level. Now what happened? That it breached the weekly level and again it came down. If prices came here and keep on rejecting, then it will rotate again to the monthly level. This is 0.1149. But if prices, let's say now you don't take trade, now you wait for 1 or 2 hours, what is happening? Let's say prices are holding this level, right? Okay, like this, and you are getting some support here. Let's say trend line support here you are getting. Yeah, then what you can do, you can take the trade, because you think that it's holding as a weekly support, and next resistance is monthly level, and you want to take this trade as a. So what my thesis will be, I will keep small SL here